Firstly, plywood sheets are laminated using a press lamination machine, which glues together layers of laminate material at high temperature. Lamination improves strength by preventing the wood from expansion, also gives it stability and a smooth surface. These laminated boards are stored and cut using a beam saw machine, where precise cuts are made using computer inputs, reducing human effort of handling and cutting, also reducing waste, providing consistency and speed. Edge banding is giving components a smooth finished edge with the help of an edge banding machine, where laminate is banded on edges at temperatures as high as 250 degrees Celsius for a long lasting product. The components are carefully packaged together using bubble wrap and rubber strips, ready to be assembled into a final product at the customer's end.